The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding ongoing is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Oh, did you do yes. Okay. ROZ does not count.
Central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source radar. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Nope, cannot get him.
A flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
This is your thunderstorm warning for
Millersville,
Central York County is
Petersburg, Paradise, Tokenboro, Gordonville, and Millersville University. Precautionary/preparedness action. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Okay, nice. Okay, there you go. Well then, nice.